Until we synchronize again.
Werner has given permission.
Everybody except for Klaus.
Yeah.
Did I miscount the amount?
Klaus is missing something.
Carl is missing.
I called him
Always here, okay. Thank you.
Can we randomize seats?
Ah, okay, then I will also switch.
Maybe you
Yeah.
next to Florian.
Very good idea.
Sorry?
Not always the same.
Not always the same.
Yeah.
Different angles.
Please, help yourself.
Randomized seats.
And this is for salad on top? Or what?
You can ask the chef.
Werner.
Yeah.
The salad is garnish?
Yeah, it's garnish. I mean, it's supposed to be rocket only, but it's rocket mixed with
Yes.
spinach and some.
There was no pure rocket at the
Yeah,
store.
exactly. And there is parmesan on top of it as well.
The closest we could get was rocket salad.
That's a lot of cheese.
You need cheese.
Somebody pass the cheese.
I like Parmigiano, so I wonder who is
Stefan.
gonna get, you know,
Pass the
what
cheese.
you guys are gonna get. This is for me.
The whole pot.
Actually, it's my fault. I kind of grated it and put it in the fridge. So
Oh.
Well, I mean, that's
Yeah.
alright.
Werner,
I could
Werner,
have
go ahead.
forgotten about it. But
I
cooking
love
took
cheese.
so long, so it's probably
So
better
it's,
to put it in the fridge.
there's no cheese in.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
put as much as you want.
Ah.
Oh, there's no cheese in the
Okay,
risotto.
so it's not just garnish. It's actually an ingredient. Okay.
So,
That gives me a great excuse to put extra cheese on.
Yeah.
So then it actually.
Some
it should
people
be
are
enough,
maybe
yeah.
vegan. Why are you asking such stupid
It
questions?
should be enough.
Prepare it, modular.
Oh, it's
Werner is thinking
I
about
see.
everything.
it's DIY.
Are you sure the rest of the risotto is vegan? Is there no butter in there?
Yeah, there is butter.
See, no vegan.
But I asked
It
for
was a
restrictions
vegan
and
cow.
I got a response. Nobody has any
I
restrictions.
don't think anybody.
It was a vegan cow,
which
and
is
to
really
verify
weird for
that that's
12
the case,
people
Klaus and
without
Jan
any
went to visit
restriction.
them
There's not
and
nobody.
talked to each one of them. Are you vegan? Cow was, and are you also vegan?
Does nobody even have like a tiny allergy?
Right?
Nothing.
What's it called?
Wow,
Not to food.
such a healthy group.
Email.
Not to food.
Okay.
Okay. So
Well,
salt and pepper.
I guess Kachel will join when he can join.
Oh my god, let me call him.
Yeah, let's go.
Well, Enjoy.
I guess he's seen some
Oh.
meeting or something.
Werner, you haven't even taken anything yet.
Yeah, we'll wait until people are
That's
There's
slightly
no pepper in
suspicious.
here.
Let's see, everybody has eat.
More cheese.
Parmigiano is for you.
Werner needs the cheese.
Only for you.
We're randomizing. Oh, no. I mean, I've already got the cheese, but I mean, I will of course.
No,
take
no,
more.
please.
Still.
It's super nice.
Okay.
Every food so far has been super nice. Cheese is important.
Do we need some? Oh, maybe somebody wants olive oil extra.
Very good, Werner. Yeah, really good.
I think it's fine, but
Sit.
Stefan,
yes, Stefan, please.
Stefan, heel.
Yes, and Stefan, of course, yes.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Bon appetit. In case we don't have enough pictures of the food, I'll take a picture. We're taking
Boss.
50 of them per second
This is not
each.
the best
But
of the olive oils. It says super value. It sounds like super value, isn't it? The idea, or?
it's the name of the store.
Yeah, but that means a discount store, is it? Or
It's
No,
actually
not discounts.
cheap.
Actually quite expensive.
What is the more expensive store?
It's a premium goods store, super value.
seriously?
Yeah.
Extremely high end.
Then this is
Well,
one
it's
of the weirdest names for
compared to the Aldi and Lidl pricing in Clifton, it's
For
the
the
top notch
relative.
of Clifton.
It probably is. Yeah.
Are you joking, or this is like really name of the fancy
I
store?
don't go there because it's more expensive than the one I normally go to.
Uh-huh.
Which is much more expensive than the Aldi or Lidl. Then.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Aldi and Lidl are very cheap to John, I suppose. So,
Tray. Nook.
Milk.
Nook.
Milk.
Nook.
Yeah.
nuke? Yeah. Who do you wanna nuke?
No.
I want the nuke center.
You have the beef now.
What brings me at the most
So you mean the
awkward
people
times.
with the no nukes stickers actually just want to drink alcohol?
I don't know. It went nuclear very quickly.
Cheese?
Cheers.
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 Nice having vodka from the October glasses.
Luca
So-
didn't let me use the leftover white wine. He's actually
So we need more wine tomorrow too. No, that's the problem. You can't buy wine till 11 a.m. In Ireland. You can't buy alcohol until 11 a.m.
Right.
What is? No, wait a second.
No alcohol till 11 a.m.
But after 11 it's okay to drink.
Yes. Even in the supermarket. You
I
can't
don't
buy alcohol.
know. Please explain.
It's Ireland. Don't have to understand. Just accept.
Okay. So
The rule is you can't buy alcohol till after 11 a.m. Yes, you can walk in around the alcohol part of the shop and pick it up. You can't go to the checkout until 11.
Right.
I thought it's only on
You're never up.
Sunday.
So
All the time.
Sunday is 12, right?
what's the etymology of that rule?
Drink less.
Okay, yes, I understand, but I could imagine what could have happened with us whenever there is a regulation imposed on HoReCa sector, as we call it, hotels, restaurants, and cafes. They really complain, hey, what about supermarkets? So during COVID, they had it rough, like because of closing. So they were really against these discounts on alcohol in wine stores. For example. So then these big discounts were cancelled of 50%. They were reduced to 25% max. And the rule was like also because of health, youth, and everything, blah blah blah. But the point is, we don't want them taking our business. So probably because in cafes and restaurants it was not allowed to serve, they said, hey, then supermarkets also can do it.
Right.
Is
Maybe.
that the logical?
It's really good.
There is always some health excuse, but the senators are basically working for whoever pays them, and probably
That's
senators were
crazy.
paid by.
They open from 10
Well,
they
lobby
close
or-
at 6. So you cannot
Yeah.
buy on the 6.
Yes,
Cannot buy on...
That's how it would work.
That's
with us.
unbelievable.
Right.
Cannot buy...
How can it be like that?
What? Cannot in Norway?
Yeah, there's only one monopoly chain allowed to sell alcohol.
No.
No supermarket.
Do people not like say you can't do that? You need to have proper access to alcohol. It's like a social right.
Hi.
Like a human right for alcohol.
After a while you get used to it, so you stop the lot. So this
Well,
doesn't matter.
yeah.
Exactly the same.
Right.
Will probably not run out.
Of what?
Can you pass down the cheese,
Yes, pepper and salt.
please?
Pepper and salt.
Okay, hang on.
Okay, because there was no pepper in
oh no.
there.
Yes, and the pepper and salt ideally
I'll
also.
just take that for that. Nobody will notice. Cheese, boss.
Yeah, I try to be cautious with pepper. and
Yeah,
salt.
yeah,
Never
that's
know.
okay.
Yeah, I mean it's
No, it's-
easier to add than to
Yeah,
remove.
exactly.
Yeah, measure once, cut twice. Or how is that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Including the fact that there is a salt labeled pepper in
Oh, really?
the cupboard there. Yeah. It's the only, all are
Pepper,
white,
that's all.
and many of them are pepper,
Salt and
and the
pepper.
only one that explicitly says pepper
Uh-huh.
It is actually
is salt.
It is salt.
That's it. Ah, is that pepper?
That's a super tricky.
Salt and pepper, so there's salt in that as well.
Sorry?
That's salt and pepper.
That's salt
that's a
and
mix.
pepper.
So,
Is there just pepper?
it's empty.
Well, no, there.
No, that's a full one. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I would
Is
be
it
happy
full
with
one?
a
Yeah,
little pepper.
and
Ah.
we have another one over there for sure.
It's empty.
Yeah, it can't be everything.
It is empty.
It's empty.
Okay.
You're right.
It's just the sides are painted to look like it's full.
Original plan is Luca, but I don't think we keep
Who's cooking dinner?
Is it plan?
There's no plan, right?
There was
No,
a plan at some point.
Unfortunate. Yeah,
Yeah, a lack of tomato.
exactly.
Good. Okay.
So maybe we can switch.
I can.
What was the
cook.
plan for tonight?
Do we have
some tomatoes or cans?
No,
Can
no
of
can.
tomato? I don't
Yes,
think we do.
yes.
I think we have fresh tomato, right?
You want the entire tomato or you want or whatever?
No, just chopped tomatoes or
No,
something.
we
Not
have
in the
this sauces ready.
We just have
not
like
proper
the
passata.
Yeah, sausage is okay.
No,
What?
little basilico with tomato.
no.
No, we need tomato sauce.
Pesto, basilico, and so on. But,
Right,
There is
okay.
no.
Canned tomato.
Pure tomato.
Yeah, there's no tomato puree.
No.
Okay.
Let's do pad thai for dinner. Pad thai?
Yeah, that's
Pad
good.
thai. Let's do it.
I will help. I want to know how.
Was that scheduled as a dinner or was that scheduled as a lunch at some point?
Lunch for Friday. It was for lunch for Friday.
This stage
according
we're
to
Yeah,
the-
because we shouldn't probably move the lunches to dinners because some of the things are very
Yeah.
heavy and elaborate.
Originally, I was gonna pad Thai for dinner and pineapple fry for lunch. I think made yesterday.
Dinner at 7?
Dinner at 7.
Couple of days.
You're right, actually. I would also prefer not to have such a big dinner, but rather keep the lunch bigger. But your pad thai would probably be.
No, but
I
the
thought
thing is,
I thought Luca meant the other way
I pretty
around.
much meant the opposite
Ah.
because we have
Lady told us to come at
some things just take long to prepare, and then if
Aha,
we have
that's what
them
you mean, okay.
for lunch,
Yeah.
lunch is going to be at 3:30 in the
Aha.
afternoon.
Okay.
Oh, you mean at 2:30? No,
Nice. Setup.
I mean, I guess we have a big stove, but it is quite slow.
It's very slow, yeah. That's what I said. If it were a fancy restaurant, we would
terms of
advertise
meat,
this as
what have we
slow
got?
cooked.
Pad thai requires chicken, right?
With prawn.
Prawn and chicken for pad
Prawn and
thai.
chicken, yeah.
Okay, fine. We have plenty of chicken, we have plenty of prawn, right?
We have prawn.
prawns can be dangerous.
We had prawns yesterday.
It's not
Yes.
vegetarian.
Bruh.
You want it vegetarian?
Yeah.
Why? Vegetarian Thai food? I don't think I
Because
have.
it's like have tofu if you want vegetarian.
Wait a second, I thought all of this was vegan. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was explosive.
That was crazy. I was never so sick.
But this tastes like vegetarian.
Oh, this is awesome, Werner.
Yeah, very good.
Well, thank you for helping.
Thank
us
you,
with that.
Werner and
Thanks,
Stefan.
Jen, for sharing as well.
Yeah, and Tian also helped. Yeah.
So when are we gonna have
Thank you.
dinner? Like
7.
Oh my god.
Okay, so
Okay.
now that we solved the when question, did we also solve the what question?
Yeah, Pad Thai.
Pad thai.
But
Okay.
that was scheduled for a lunch at some point.
Yes, but it was the lunch before the salmon factory, so I think maybe if we have something lighter for that day, it's not that bad either.
The salmon factory will have extra food.
Yes, the thing that is to be considered is that dishes that take a long time to prepare should probably not be scheduled for lunch.
I can take a long time.
How long does Pad Thai take to prepare?
I cook quite slow, so 2 hours.
Okay. Then the spinach lasagna I would like to do tomorrow for dinner
I
because
can
it takes
probably
longer.
start now.
But then again, the lasagna could be a lunch because you could even do it the day before and then just put it into the oven.
Yeah, it could be. Yes.
That might actually be logistically.
Yeah. But we will go to
more sense.
for shopping tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow morning, 8
Yeah.
o'clock.
Yeah, that's good.
Before the workshop.
Okay.
I'm not going to lose weight at this
But then
at this rate.
lasagna should be lunch on Thursday, so you can prepare it tomorrow
Okay.
afternoon.
Yeah.
And then it is ready, and then we can just put it into the oven and actually bake it.
And we put it into the fridge until. Yeah. Okay. That's
Can I have
okay.
the cheese, please?
Do we have enough beef? Because we bought the beef for Luke.
But it's a different beef. It's the pseudo veal.
Have you decided not to cook the veal meal?
The veal meal.
The veal meal?
Why would we not do that?
We have to make sure because
Thank you.
there's 2 people with eyes on the beef now. So we have to make sure we have enough beef.
Isn't there
How many
more?
kilograms of beef do you need?
However many is specified.
Well, really, he doesn't need beef, he needs veal.
Yes. I have the young beef.
It was 1.5-year-old cat.
Yes, it's specifically young beef
Yes.
because they didn't have veal.
You
It's
need,
pseudo veal.
Yeah.
you need to really prepare
when I asked him,
something where you can actually appreciate it, not something that's gonna kill the taste.
I asked him about veal, and he said, "What day do you want it?" So it wasn't going to work out very well. Looked at his watch. What day do you want it?
But I mean, at least that's
And a bit of cheese.
service, right?
Yes, he will find the veal.
Did we say that we have too much cheese?
Okay, so then tomorrow, what's the plan for food? Let's just get this figured out because we actually have too many recipes.
Right.
So
Tomorrow they're gonna cook lunch and dinner. So two
but
different,
no.
two different
So-
dishes.
is Klaus going to do lasagna for Thursday but prepared tomorrow?
Yeah,
Okay.
for lunch. Yeah.
I can do something or help
I
somebody.
can do tomorrow. I can do whenever. Thursday. Your call.
Let's do one Vietnamese and one
Yeah.
Indian tomorrow.
One beef stew in the lunch.
Yeah.
And
So Indian. So is that a lunch or dinner?
What is Indian?
So we have stuff for two recipes. So dal and aloo gobi.
So
Aloo gobi.
that sounds like a dinner.
It's a
But
dinner.
beef stew
Yeah,
is
beef
dinner.
stew.
But
and
actually,
that's a-
Dal is
those are
cheap.
pretty much
You
like
you
side
can take it
We
anytime.
can do a light breakfast tomorrow.
It's
So
not
maybe
very heavy,
maybe
is it?
No, it's not
something
very
more. Oh, yeah,
We can do croissants for breakfast tomorrow.
yeah. That's simple.
Then that means I should do that, no?
They're chocolate croissants. We just cook them in the oven.
I'm gonna do half cheese, half chocolate.
Oh no, but if
Somebody
you,
likes
but
cheese,
if you,
Oh, he actually can. He can because you
How-
put the chocolate in afterwards. So,
Yeah. I can put chocolate in and cheese in, so I roll it with whatever you like.
but do you need to make the
Yeah.
dough from scratch?
Oh, okay. He can do
But
that.
we don't have
I can
the
do it. We don't
ingredients.
have it either.
Do we?
But
What do you need for the dough?
But those that are in the fridge, they are already filled with chocolate,
No,
or this
you
is
get
need
the
some
chocolate
yogurt,
rolls,
Will.
chocolate,
okay.
and you just basically.
I'm not sure that we have yogurt there. I can make it with the milk as well,
Okay.
but we need
Yeah.
the baking powder. Well,
I'm not sure we have that.
okay, let me check what we have.
just finish it.
By the way, who
Because
ordered
we-
the puff pastry? Puff pastry? Nobody ordered the puff pastry? It
have-
just magically appeared on the list. And
What?
now we
What?
have puff pastry.
It was a separate thing that
Blätterteig.
we thought may be useful. We could take
interesting.
puff pastry, put cheese inside, and make cheese puffs.
Ah, yes. Okay.
Or pizza rolls or something.
Yeah. Or chocolate inside and make chocolate rolls.
Can I have a bit of salt?
I like a dessert.
Okay.
Thank you.
Or apple pie.
So we don't have. Oh, we have.
We have
do
apples.
have apples.
We have Pink Lady.
But
They're very good. They're very good.
but
I
actually,
know. they're
judging
very good,
judging
but
from today, I don't think
using
they
it
really
for
need
baking
dessert, right?
Isn't it
Well,
kind of a waste?
You never
It
need
is a bit of a waste,
dessert.
yeah.
That's not the point of dessert.
Okay, so tomorrow we have
Fizzy
Indian
Dino.
and
Let me tell you
Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Thursday we have pasta and something.
Lasagna, right?
Lasagna.
Yeah.
That's Thursday.
You making lasagna?
No, I'm making curry on Thursday night.
Okay, curry
Okay,
and,
okay.
and lasagna.
Yeah.
On Friday we only need lunch not too big.
So, but then, when do you want the?
The Zurichschnitzel.
Oh, the
That's Zurichschnitzel. Yeah.
Merushti.
Yes, mit rösti, exactly. For which you specifically
For which we
requested
had
the
6
the
kilograms of potatoes. Which we had to not just buy but carry.
it's, for me it's only
No,
about
but
3
that's what it
kilograms.
was.
Okay, maybe we do a rushti on Thursday and a curry on Friday.
But yeah, potato for beef stews for my curry.
You made the
We
Irish
use a
stew.
lot.
How many kilograms of
Yeah.
potato did you order?
Yeah.
there's
So we,
sweet
we actually
potatoes as
use a
well,
lot of
right?
potatoes.
Yeah, that's
don't
sweet
worry
But
about
potatoes.
that.
this is exactly
Okay.
what I meant about adding recipes to a list, but then not adding more days, right?
How about
There's
second
only so
dinner?
many meals.
Well, we do have until Sunday. We can add one more day. The chicken with skin. Yeah.
my chicken hot spot.
Okay, why don't we replace the beef stew with a chicken hot pot?
Fine. Okay. Yeah.
That leaves all the veal for
Luca.
pseudo veal for Luca.
Okay, when do you want that?
Simulation veal.
Yeah.
Either has to be Thursday or Friday. Which one do you want?
It's probably more of a dinnery thing.
Okay. Then why don't we do the chicken on Friday for lunch?
Nice. Yeah.
And what's about tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're doing.
But then look, if we already have a bunch of stuff for recipes, then why don't we prioritize the recipes for which we already have the stuff, rather than going shopping for more recipes that we don't actually have slots for in the schedule?
Okay, so let's take it back to basics.
So tomorrow, if you're not doing beef
We
steak,
have
you're doing the chicken.
Pseudo veal. You're looking after all of that, right?
Yes.
When is that?
Pseudo veal is gone. That's going to be Thursday or Wednesday.
Okay, we're gonna have to decide though. We can't just say or.
It will be this week for sure.
Can we have a paper and pen?
So
Come on.
Today's already
It will be
fixed.
complicated.
Tomorrow we discuss.
Unless I don't know what you want for dinner. What do we do for dinner today?
Good
Pad Thai.
question.
Pad Thai.
Pad
We
Thai.
Pad Thai
Fixed
chicken.
and
Is that
agreed on
fixed?
pasta. This is now
Okay.
fixed. This is now locked in. Feature free.
No, don't use the origami paper. We have like 30 meters of paper for taking notes on.
Just do it.
I'm lazy. Okay, right.
so
Hang on, let's get this.
You'll have to fold it into a
Pad Thai
crane
tonight.
after.
Tuesday.
No, we do Monday. Pad Thai.
Tuesday,
Yes, today.
Tuesday, PM.
Oh, Tuesday.
pad thai.
Pad Thai, chicken and
Prawn.
prawns. So that will be some of the chicken breasts gone, right?
Yeah.
Pad Thai, cooked by On.
Yep. And tomorrow.
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
lunch,
Lunch is the chicken hot pot.
chicken hot pot.
Vietnamese chicken hot pot. For lunch.
The rest of the chicken with the skin, right?
Yeah.
No, I need chicken as well.
We have plenty of chicken. We have a lot of chicken.
Okay.
How much chicken do you need?
Wednesday,
I don't know.
Oh, we'll have enough.
I think we have most of.
PM.
Wednesday PM
Is the,
is Bjorn's Indian.
Okay.
so we're gonna have curry like 2 nights in a row.
Thursday,
I'm not gonna do that.
AM, Thursday, PM,
Okay.
Friday, light lunch.
Okay. And PM
Light.
is at the
Lunch.
thing.
So maybe for Friday, if you ask me, because why doing given lunch? Because we leave it half past. We have.
But we
Well, we can't get rid of another slot, otherwise we'll never get
we
to
never
the
get through all the food.
Okay, so
It's an eating competition.
Wednesday lasagna for lunch. Is
Thursday,
Yeah,
lunch.
that's Friday. Friday would be good, maybe.
Friday.
Yeah, lasagna.
Lasagna Friday.
Yeah.
Klaus.
Lasagna is not light.
It's light. Thank you.
It's spinach lasagna. That's a light one.
Thursday.
No,
Thursday lunch is
You're having
macaroni niche
Yeah.
with roasty.
Vegetarian.
It's more of a dinner.
Okay, yeah, so that's dinner. Macaroni
Thursday-
chicken, Nicky with roasty.
Not even close, but sure.
What is it?
Zürich Schnatzlitz.
Uniclatchlist.
Not even close, but it's
It's closer.
so
Uniclatchlist.
Thursday dinner.
Jury class list. I
With
think you can go with this.
Rosti.
I like clutch list.
Rösti.
Klatsch-
Schnetzeltes with Rösti.
Yumi.
Yeah, geschnetzeltes.
Yeah. On Thursday.
On Thursday evening.
Thursday lunchtime.
So I
Thursday
already have
lunchtime.
my like chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Is that okay? We
Curry
have
for
got that?
lunch.
Chicken curry Thursday.
Oh my god,
Sounds
this
great.
would be a lot of food. This would be a lot of
Honestly, it all sounds great. The problem is there's not enough
We have
time.
another leg to go on this one.
Yeah,
This is okay. Now, breakfasts. Wednesday AM. Do we want sausage and bacon and pudding, or do we want croissant tomorrow?
Croissants.
Croissant.
Yeah, but I'm not sure that we have stuff for that.
We do.
we have
We have enough
we
for
have
24
we have
chocolate
stuff
croissants.
for that. We do not
but not to make
necessarily.
We have from ingredients.
No, not for the from scratch.
They're in a packet. We just put in the chocolate,
Yeah.
fold them over, put them in the oven, eat them.
No, but what do we have actually? What is it that we have?
Yes, that.
Croissant.
It's
Croissants
some
in a
assembly
packet.
required. It's not the from scratch version.
So we
As
have.
in, you will make 6 croissants in 20 seconds. That level of assembly.
Oh, but that's like pre-made something.
Yes.
Yeah.
Almost.
Almost.
You have to fold them. And then put them
I
in the oven.
know, but that's pre-made.
Yes.
Thursday breakfast.
It's like an EA cabinet. You
Irish
don't have to cut
breakfast.
the timber, but
Yeah. It's IKEA, no?
yeah, it's like EA. Yeah.
Curry and then
Some
Friday
minor
breakfast.
assembly required.
Friday
And
breakfast.
chocolate may be
Whatever is
missing.
left.
Right, now, Saturday breakfast.
But our data set will be mainly about cooking and eating.
Yes, I mean, it's what we talk about the most. It's what we do the most.
Yeah.
The stove makes sure that it takes a long time every time.
Yes.
Afternoon or?
No, if we're leaving at
So you don't
5
need any
a.m.,
breakfast?
right?
You have to leave very early?
Yes, yeah.
Can Lynn come with us?
Okay.
I can prepare some.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
no
that
problem.
we're 4
Yeah, I will leave by 10.
No, but Saturday breakfast is whatever's left.
Saturday breakfast.
Whatever.
Saturday
What if
Leftovers.
there's so much left?
Then some of what is left.
Yeah.
Not necessarily all of what is left.
left.
Because Klaus has a
Cannot
huge
leave
luggage.
until all the food is gone.
Yeah.
There you go.
So 5 o'clock in the morning, yeah.
Yeah.
Saturday.
I don't think I
Right.
need much breakfast at
Yeah,
that time.
no,
Car
no.
one.
Right, right.
One.
Let's go to Octavia.
Yeah,
Klaus,
yes.
Werner,
Werner,
Ali, and then
Ali, Lynn.
5 a.m.
Don't wake
Does
up.
that
I'm
exist?
not getting in
Well,
that.
that's early.
Okay.
Our flight is at 12.
Oh, yeah, okay. That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
V40,
Cahill.
Cahill.
When are you leaving?
You said you wanted
Sure.
No, wait. Cahill, Luca,
Florian.
Tien.
No.
You're gone already. I have space for one more person.
Oh,
Florian.
what?
Oh, I don't
Well,
know.
if you don't mind a TV on your lap.
What?
I don't mind the TV on my lap.
And you have
I just don't want to be left behind in the middle of nowhere.
you have
On
great
and on.
in-car entertainment.
Yes.
Florian.
Florian.
And if we're gonna dump stuff anyway, Carl, you can put the TV in the back of my car.
Even in hours.
I've got to drive an extra
Yeah.
2.5 hours
Oh.
to pick up the TV, then drive 2 hours to home.
I see. Okay.
Unless you want to come to the hovel on the way back.
Uh-huh.
We're going to the hovel from the query.
Mhm.
Ah,
The hovel from the query. It's the famous hovel. I want to see
is
it.
it an extra 2.5 hours drive?
No, it's half an hour extra, just a
Right.
different
Yeah,
way.
okay, fair enough.
But how big is the television?
43
Okay, small.
and light.
Small.
Small. Very
Okay.
small.
Hang on, let's get this right.
Oh.
But Cahill,
Old, you know.
Oh, it's
bulk
a
TV.
CRT.
Does it? Oh wow, they're so photorealistic.
The biggest one.
Okay,
That
so
looks like a
Bjorn,
Bjorn.
Stefan,
Stefan.
Yes.
who's left?
Bao.
Bao.
Who's
Is that it?
That's it.
That's it?
Really?
It's
Okay.
the biggest car.
The biggest car has the least people. How does that work? TV. Yeah. Then you have to come with me
Right?
to visit the hovel.
Uh,
There is no bathroom. The builder hasn't finished.
Uh-huh.
As well as you aware of that, there are plenty of trees.
Old-fashioned way.
but I have to go back later, no?
Yeah. But it's kind of, instead of going from here to
Yeah.
here, you go like
It's in the
that.
middle.
Right.
It's kind of in the middle of Ireland.
No problem.
Sounds good.
We can actually stop for a nice lunch on the way back though.
Yeah, don't stop for lunch.
sounds
You have
Yes,
a lot of food in the car.
well,
Well, I mean, we all have to
we
stop.
can stop
but-
to eat it.
Yeah.
We
You
just
can find
we
somewhere
can stop
nice
anywhere.
to eat
Yeah.
something on the way back then.
Right. Let's see.
How's team going home?
By taxi.
From here to Dublin.
No.
So I think it depends on the weather. I think if it, you know, it might be nice to see a couple of cliffs.
You should do that. Yes. Don't worry about the TV. You guys go.
No,
see
but
the
we
cliffs.
take a TV.
Throw it off a cliff.
Florian and on and on. Why don't you go with Bjorn and I take Bao?
Yeah.
We can do that.
Then you can
Yeah,
visit the
we
cliffs.
will do. There's some
Huh?
nice
Yeah.
sites
No,
in
it's
this
a
area.
small cliffs.
That's not
close
nice.
Take a
by
couple
here.
of hours to
Or
see
like
that
a Father
before
Ted
going.
version of the
When are you
cliffs.
going back to?
My plane is
Yeah, you
at
can
I
be the
think
tour guide for
6:30 or something.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
I
We'll
have
get you
some
there by
time.
4.
Okay, we
Excellent.
change the plan.
Very good.
On and
So
on.
that will be a goal.
Are you sure that we
I'm sorry, I'm
can
going
make it?
By 4?
Florian.
We have to check the traffic and then start on time.
Yeah.
Unless there's a
Because
crash on the
when we
avenue.
were coming here,
Do you have
there was
lots of luggage?
I have a small suitcase and
you don't need to check it, or?
compressible. Oh, I do need to check it.
Okay.
He wasn't allowed to bring a big suitcase.
So then we have to really go
Yeah,
through the
I mean-
Okay, fine. Is
If
that
I'd
the plan
known
then?
how tight it would be in the car, I would have taken probably an even smaller suitcase.
Right.
Okay, are we okay with that then?
Yeah.
Bao comes with us.
Mm-hmm.
Bjorn, Stefan, Onalong and Florian.
Where are we going?
You're going to the smaller cliffs.
So there's
South
some
Sea.
cliffs. There's nothing here.
And after that, Dublin.
After
Yes.
that, yeah.
There is a
And I'm gonna drive straight to Iceland.
there's a very
Going
nice
to a ferry or something.
castle you can go to on the way to Galway, I think. by the sea. It's very nice. There's a little like cafe in there.
Okay.
I'll find it for you.
All right.
So it wouldn't be that far away.
Just to see, you know, it's a beautiful area. Actually. It's really
Since we're already here,
yeah, exactly.
might as well.
Just
Yes,
the
yes,
other day,
yes.
colleague was telling me that he went here with the family. You know, like
Yes.
they spent a week. You know, like just
I
feels unusual. You know, like at the very west tip.
I've done a day sightseeing in Connemara. There's a national park here. It's really quite beautiful. So,
But the only hard thing
You
is
drove
you
through
have
some
a
of it in
flight
the
at
dark,
6:30.
Something like that.
It's fine.
I would have to check.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't check. My phone is not here.
no, you will have checked.
I will have checked.
Yes, so we can.
So we'll check out of here around about 10 o'clock then, right?
No later.
Okay.
Danish, let's make it like that.
Goed.
Good.
Helemaal goed.
Very good. Very good. Let me do the dish cleaning.
Thanks for the food.
Oh, that's
Tack for maden.
Back from us.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, you're gonna do
Say
it.
what?
Quiz now.
Can you pass over Björn's plate, please?
14.
Thank you.
Stay in your seat.
Thank you. Okay.
Happy quiz first.
Why?
We're doing a quiz.
Oh.
Before
Now we're gonna get rid of the.
But maybe I get.
this and then
put the plates at least in the country.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, please.
Whoever needs me for
Hand
some
them over.
cooking, let me know.
Thank you.
Or not.
Okay.
I will need bunch of people to chop. This is clean, I think.
Okay.
Organic trash.
No idea.
Lots of chop chop chop.
Oh yeah, we first need to get.
It's empty again.
Yeah.
Is it done again?
Yes. Oh yeah, almost. This one. Not really.
So
Are those clean?
These are clean. Yeah, we need to move them out first. Much better now, Björn. So.
I really haven't figured out what was there.
Okay. I have no idea where to put them.
This one.
Stefan, before your cleanup spree, there was a sensible to less sensible, or less sensible to sensible power adapter.
Oh yeah.
Where did
I
that go?
gave it to. There was this power adapter that I gave you. You know, like
Sure,
this
this
box.
is
When I was cleaning this box with plugs.
Maybe.
This
Okay.
was a lot against the wall.
I don't know where to put.
This box, paper box with
So, can we do a...
So this is clean also?
Just let me wash my hands.
Is this clean? Yes.
Probably.
Yeah.
Dirty dishes in my hands, so
Yeah.
I just need to wash my hands.
Like,
Luca.
Yes,
try that.
just something to plug something.
I thought it's this.
That's the wheel list and the car list.
Oh, this one to tank.
Yes. I'll get the happy quiz ready. Happy quiz.
I don't know what was where, but
I also don't know.
I bet I guess we take them out 3 or 4 more times.
Yeah.
Help us. Help us.
Yeah, the helper.
there you go. Now we're into glasses.
Okay, then I go over here.
So I'll try to basically go by similarity. And then this one is the last. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
Like here.
So we can put the dirty stuff in.
Maybe not.
Okay.
You're done with emptying it?
Yeah.
Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
This.
I think it painted very well.
Oh, sorry.
You can leave the pots. I mean, we clean them out here because
Okay.
they block so much space in the dishwasher.
Yeah.
So we just need to make sure there's some tomato.
Yeah, I put it.
Yeah.
How much do you need?
Do I lost my weighing scales?
Yeah, just to be sure.
Yeah, sorry.
Weighing scales.
Sorry.
That's not, no, that's not my one. My one's disappeared.
My
Coffee.
normal recipe. So I was moving to involve whatever it is.
The problem is, I brought the
We really do not have so much space here.
That's one of the
How much coffee are you making?
I'm making a full pot of coffee.
Every second day you need it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Relax, relax. You do all the cooking, man.
It was
A lot of cooking.
actually it was like here in the middle, I think, but yeah, but in the middle, I think. Yeah, but maybe I don't know. Yeah, something like this.
Yeah, I mean, if this plate says guess it works, with the larger ones you can't have rows.
Okay.
Kind of annoys me.
Okay.
Drinking water is this one, right?
So the water here from the tap is drinkable, right?
I believe so, but you
Yeah.
never know because sometimes they boil water notices.
But I don't
How is it
know.
possible that it goes so
Top is one also that necessary brandy to also light it on fire.
So
Did you bring brandy?
No.
Hmm.
But we have whiskey, Klaus.
yeah, yeah, of course. Yes.
for what?
To light the pudding on fire.
We have brandy cream.
Oh, well, I'm not sure how well that
This
works.
is
So heat up the whiskey, it's microwave. Throw it on, do burn. Do that on whiskey. Thursday night, Friday night.
The glasses work like that.
I think we need a second round. Yeah.
So, but next time, you should leave the glasses
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I
for
think
people to.
use the water
Yes,
glasses.
yes.
Okay to reuse for a little bit.
Okay. There's literally no space left for me. Okay.
Okay, maybe one more, yeah. That looks good.
A red box over my SD card. What is
We
that?
still have space there
That means
for
it's
cups.
running low, I think.
Yes.
Oh, wait.
Should also. Yeah.
SD card.
For plates, yeah. Smaller
Actual
plates.
X on it.
No. It's the other way around.
Battery, no battery.
No, battery's okay.
No.
No green.
There's no battery in it.
Yeah.
And your SD card is still green, which means you've been taking too many business calls.
So my battery's fine then. Okay.
No, it does not show anything about the battery. It has no battery in it.
But it has an X over what looks like an SD card.
No, it has the X over the battery because it has no battery.
I think this also fits in here.
Okay, who's that? Happy quiz.
Okay.
Maybe like that.
Happy quiz.
Happy quiz.
Happy quiz. Happy quiz.
Maybe. No, it's not really working. Yeah. Really.
It's hot. Yeah.
Maybe. So maybe we do one round now and then another one later.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the
No, this one.
Paper?
Right.
this one? Okay.
Now we need somebody help me to who press. Everybody press the button. What's the capital of Ireland?
Prüfe sie, jetzt gebe ich 2 nehmen.
Ja, das dauert noch eine Stunde länger.
Macht ja nix.
Aber es ist ja das Bier drin. Also es ist ein
Ja, stimmt.
keiner Test.
Stimmt, aber. Ich glaube, es fehlt ja das Salz.
Es fehlt ein Salz und Fleischpulver, ja.
Ah, okay. Haben wir mal keins, gell?
Ciao.
Ja, Fleischpulver haben wir. Ja. Machen wir einfach nochmal auf. Ah, der stoppt gar nicht. Wo stoppt er?
Salz ist kein Salz, ja.
So, das ist Fleischspieler.
Ja.
Das können wir gleich nicht
Ja,
tun.
Salz können wir dann auch auf die...
Are you playing the quiz?
One person per table.
What?
Quiz.
Quiz.
I think we can take off some. What?
Get here. Now, let's go for the first round.
Put mine. I don't want to bring it to you.
So, Salz.
It's recording, but it's not. It is now recording. No, it is blinking when it is recording. Hey, I have to finish something.
Luca? Wow.
Yeah, sure.
Luca, yeah. Then you can be a helper.
Yeah, sure.
Fast dissolving film.
Ja, genau.
No unwrapping, it's funny, yes.
Er ist auf Pause.
Ach so,
So,
alles klar. Es schaut so aus, ja.
können wir das einmal weghauen.
Okay.
Wo ist denn das andere?
What's the name of the bar?
Irgendwo was mit Not.
Ich weiß auch nicht, wo das war.
You bought but you don't know the answer.
You get negative scores if you get negative. So let's start off.
Ich weiß nicht, wo das war.
Das war da.
Okay.
Und dem da.
Scores. Let's go.
Ah, danke.
Just when we read a question,
Ja, sehr gut.
read a question, and then whoever is first,
Den Rest, den können wir ja dann später rein tun.
don't cover it.
Ja,
Das kostet aber lassen.
wir müssen nicht, weil es ist... Das nimmt so viel Platz im
All
Schiff.
questions, all four, all
All of them. Okay. Question 1. How many players are there on a standard chocolate team?
Dann werden wir das noch abwaschen.
Yes, sorry.
Hello.
Sorry, plus one.
Okay. Question 2.
So that question is actually ambiguous.
Haben wir da irgendwo ein Schwammerl?
Nein.
Nur den, oder?
Oder das, ja.
Wettex auch nicht, gell? Wohl? Ja. Okay.
In what year were the first modern Olympic Games held?
Ja, das ist aber nicht gut. Es wäre gut, irgendwie ein Schwammerl zu haben. Aha. We have something here. Ja, der hat den heute nicht einen, ne? So, was, also wohl, der ist drinnen im Geschirrspüler, stimmt. So, wir haben zumindest sowas.
Ja, aber das ist eh... Das ist eh...
Achso, okay.
Das ist, ich habe ja Wasser noch, also das wird eben schon abpacken.
Und da haben wir Wettex.
Who won the most NBA championships as a player?
Sogar noch nass. Aber das ist aber zu klein dimensioniert, gell, mit einem Waschbecken.
Ja, das ist nicht gedacht.
You're not playing.
Okay, ich werde einmal anfangen.
No, just
go.
Jetzt legt sie unten der Reis an und oben ist er noch nicht einmal durch.
Ja. So. Warte mal. Das ist ein bisschen Käse da. Das weiß ich nicht. Okay.
Oh, you're not playing.
Look at this man. He should have joined the team.
Na, die haben wir auch zu wenig, ja. Sollten wir aufschreiben, ja.
Wow. There's a prize for the winner.
In which sport would you go for? A slam dunk?
Actually, to get you guys to always
Aha, das ist auch aus. Verstehe nicht.
I think as best question that would be still hard for me would be
Okay. Ja, wir sollten auf jeden Fall eine kaufen.
What's the biggest golf tournament every year? I've been one of many times. But it big
Ja. Aber das war sehr gut, das Risotto. Ja.